Hello everyone and welcome to Mentor's Galaxy. I am Pratiksha Roy, your chemistry mentor here at Mentor's Galaxy. We have already discussed the class 11 chemistry syllabus. So today I am going to discuss about the class 12 chemistry syllabus with you all. मैंने ये सिलेबस फिर से आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए बनाया है and I have divided the syllabus into subsections and topics so that you can clearly understand about the chapters that we are going to study here at Mentor's Galaxy. So let us begin today's discussion on the class 12 chemistry syllabus. तो पहले ही मैंने syllabus को sections में divide कर दिया है. The first section is of physical chemistry where we will study 3 chapters. उसके बाद आता है हमारे inorganic chemistry का portion where there are 2 chapters. Next we have organic chemistry portion where there are 4 chapters. In the class 11 chemistry syllabus discussion video, I had mentioned कि आपके competitive exams में practical chemistry के कुछ concepts के बारे में mentioned है and I will discuss them with you. Apart from that, if we add up the chapters, we will see that we have to study a total of 9 chapters for your class 12, that is your board exams. कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में क्लास 11 और क्लास 12 दोनों को कंबाइन करके क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स वी हैव टू स्टडी अ टोटल ऑफ 20 चैप्टर्स फॉर केमिस्ट्री, 11 chapters from class 11 and 9 chapters from class 12 plus some concepts of practical chemistry. So for competitive exams we have 20 chapters. So now we will see about the chapters that we will study in each section. हमारा पहला सेक्शन है फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री का और इसमें हमारा पहला जो चैप्टर है वो है इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री. दिस इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर न्यूमेरिकल्स, जो आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स एंड कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स दोनों के लिए ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस चैप्टर इज रिलेटेड टू द रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 11. उसके बाद आता है सॉल्यूशंस, also a very important chapter conceptually and numerically. Lastly, chemical kinetics, a very interesting chapter and इससे भी confirm numericals आते हैं both in your board exams and competitive exams. So ये जो 3 chapter है हमारे physical chemistry के for class 12, they are very important for your numericals in competitive exams. Now let's see the inorganic chemistry topics. We have 2 topics. We had seen that we will study P block elements for class 11 and class 12 में आपके लिए है यहाँ पे D and F block elements. इसके अलावा the other chapter is coordination compounds. This is a very new chapter and we have not studied anything like this previously. This is very interesting and has a lot of concepts and a very important chapter as well. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में है 4 चैप्टर्स जैसे कि मैंने डिस्कस किया था. द चैप्टर्स आर हैलोजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स, जिस ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में क्लोरीन, फ्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन ये सब रहते हैं, वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दैट. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ऑक्सीजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स जैसे कि एल्डिहाइड्स, कीटोन्स, अल्कोहल्स एक्सेट्रा. नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स एंड द लास्ट चैप्टर ऑफ क्लास 12 इज बायोमोलिक्यूल्स where we will study about carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, etc. तो ये हो गए हमारे 9 चैप्टर्स ऑफ क्लास 12. अब देखते हैं कि ईच चैप्टर में कौन से टॉपिक्स हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. सो पहले फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में देखते हैं. द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री ऑफ क्लास 12 इज इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री. We will study about conduction and conductance in electrolytes. We already know a little bit about conduction, but now we will study it at an advanced level. उसके बाद आता है concepts and variations of molar conductivity. We will study about a very important law, which is the Kohl-Rosch's law and its application. कितने types के electrochemical cells होते हैं, कितने types के electrodes होते हैं, उनके potentials क्या होते हैं, what are half cells, cell reactions and EMF. A very important equation for your numericals is the Nernst equation and its applications. And lastly, dry cells, lead accumulator and fuel cells. At the end of each chapter, we will solve questions which we will term as practice problems, and we will also see the previous year questions of JEE ताकि हमें एक idea मिले कि competitive exams में कैसे type के questions आते हैं. So this was all about electrochemistry. The next topic of physical chemistry is solutions, where we will study the concentration terms जैसे कि molarity, normality, molality and कितने types of solutions होते हैं. The law of solutions, which is the Raoult's law, concept of vapor pressure, कुछ properties रहते हैं जिसको हम कहते हैं colligative properties. We will study about that and their applications, and we will study about the Van 't Hoff factor and its significance. We will solve practice problems and look at previous year questions of competitive exams. The last chapter of class 12 physical chemistry is chemical kinetics. तो इसमें we will see and study about the rates of chemical reaction and the factors जिससे ये rate affect होती है, elementary and complex reactions, order and molecularity of reactions, rate law and rate constants, zero and first order reactions, temperature का क्या effect रहता है इन reactions पे, a very important theory which is the Arrhenius theory, and related to that we will study activation energy. Lastly, collision theory of bimolecular gaseous reactions. Again, we will solve practice problems and see the JEE previous year questions. So these were the 3 chapters of physical chemistry of your class 12. Now we will move to inorganic chemistry, where we have only 2 chapters to study. The first chapter is D and F block elements. The syllabus is quite similar to the P block elements. फिर भी एक बार देख लेते हैं कि इसमें क्या पढ़ना है. First, we will have an introduction to the D block elements or the transition elements, the electronic configurations, occurrence and characteristics. उनके जो physical और chemical properties रहते हैं, उनका जो trend रहता है across the period और down the group कैसे trends रहते हैं, alloy formation कैसे होती है, preparation, properties and uses of very important compounds which are K2Cr2O7 and KMNO4. These are very important in your practical chemistry for your titration experiments. Then we will study about the F block elements, lanthanoids and actinoids, about their configuration, oxidation state and lanthanoid contraction. And we will solve problems and look at the previous year questions for more clarity. Last chapter of inorganic chemistry of class 12 is coordination compounds, a very new chapter which we have not studied before. इसका तो हमने शायद नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा पहले. So firstly, we will obviously have an introduction to coordination compounds कि होता क्या है coordination compound, Werner's theory, ligands क्या होते हैं, what is coordination number, density, chelation, ये सब आपको सिर्फ शब्द लग रहे होंगे अभी, but when we will study, we will understand what all this means. उसके बाद आता है nomenclature of the compounds, isomerism and bonding, color and magnetic properties, and lastly, what is the importance of coordination compounds. We will solve the questions related to this and we will see the previous year questions as well. So this was all about your inorganic chemistry of class 12. हमारा last section and most important, organic chemistry, where we have 4 chapters. The first chapter is halogen containing organic compounds, जहां हम देखेंगे general methods of preparation के बारे में, properties and reactions along with mechanisms, which is very important, the nature of carbon-halogen bond, uses of halogen-containing compounds, and environmental effects of such compounds. We will solve the problems, we will see the reactions that occur and the mechanisms behind them, and the questions that come in competitive exams. उसके बाद आता है oxygen-containing organic compounds. We will study about the properties and reactions of different oxygen-containing organic compounds, namely alcohols, phenols, ether, aldehydes and ketones, or carboxylic acids. And we will have practice problems and previous year. The next chapter is nitrogen containing organic compounds. इसमें है properties and reaction of amines, the classification of amines, properties and reactions of diazonium salts, and practice problems. The last chapter of your class 12 chemistry is biomolecules, where we will study about the classification and functions of carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and nucleic acids. And we will study briefly about hormones and the importance of biomolecules in our bodies. We will study that, and we will see the problems for more clarity in this chapter. So this was all about your class 12 chemistry syllabus. मैंने क्लास 11 सिलेबस के डिस्कशन के टाइम में भी प्रैक्टिकल केमिस्ट्री के कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में बताया था. आई विल मेंशन देम अगेन इन दिस वीडियो. So the concepts of practical chemistry that we will study for competitive exams is the detection of functional groups in organic compounds, chemistry involved in preparation of compounds, titrimetric experiments के पीछे का principle, qualitative salt analysis principles, and some other chemical principles as mentioned in your syllabus. So this is all about the class 12 syllabus of chemistry. I hope you have got an idea about the chapters that we are going to study for your class 12. Mentis Galaxy में आपको मिलेंगे regular classes. इसके अलावा we will provide you with engaging and fun content via shorts in YouTube and reels in Instagram. And we will have separate problem solving sessions. I would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram page and keep visiting our website for more updates. आई होप आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गई है कि कौन से चैप्टर्स वी विल स्टडी बोथ फॉर क्लास 11 एंड फॉर क्लास 12. क्लास 12 के चैप्टर्स हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वेटेज बिकॉज दे आर योर बोर्ड एग्जाम चैप्टर्स, इसलिए उनका वेटेज कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में भी ज्यादा होता है. वी विल स्टडी ऑल अबाउट देम इन आवर अपकमिंग क्लासेस. I would like to request you again to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram page. Please keep visiting our website for more updates regarding the topic of chemistry and the other topics that we also offer at Mentors Galaxy. I hope this video has been informative for you. Thank you so much.